So the simple trick is open Photoshop and upload your old photo and just simply just stroke with your this spot healing tool. But the problem is this takes long time, so stop using the Photoshop. The direct tool that we have now, go to the ivory.space. This is the website of the 12 to 15 apps, which is really useful. So it's free because you can see there is no pricing tag. So just simply press the use now and it will open another application. So from here just press restore memory and upload your photograph. So we have this photograph. So we simply what we can do, press the restore button and it gives some error first time, but then it will start running because first when you open for permeshing it takes time. So as you can see, this almost clear out every noises. So first we need to upscale it to make it more beautiful. So we simply press down the upscaling image. As you can see, our photograph is ready and you can see the before and after. So what we can do, we can apply the effects. We go to adjust and crop. We can adjust the brightness, lighting or everything, or we can do the sharpness also. And you can go to the effects. You can apply different type of effects if you like to, and you can check the preview is quite nice. You can also add the frames if you like to. As you can see, I have added for the old photograph. You can check using the watermark and it's really looking really gorgeous. And you can also add different type of effects. You can add like a glass wearing this guy, so I can edit like that. um, Wearable clear glass in her eyes. Okay, simply apply the effects and give some time, so it will apply the AI edits to the image. As you can see, she is wearing a glass. So simply what you can do, apply this effect and press export. So you can easily export to JPEG format or any other resolution and simply press the download. So as you can see, our image is completely ready in the single click. You don't have to go with the Photoshop processes or remove by one. So you can colorize these photographs too. Thanks for watching and go and try the ivory.space completely free, because we think that redefining humanity is the first priority. So go there and check out.